today I'm going to be trying out a new lipstick variant. This is super exciting because apart from the usual lipsticks that we love and enjoy, this one is supposed to be really awesome, and it's called Powder Kiss. I'll be trying it out today and I'll be showing you how different it is from all the other MAC lipsticks. So come on, let's go try it out. Okay, so all ready to have my makeup done, and this is kind of like a makeup tutorial of some sort. But yeah, but we'll be highlighting their new lipstick, which is of course the Powder Kiss. Heard a lot of good things about it, and yeah, on it. Let's start. This is the Prep and Prime Fix. Yes, actually I use this all the time, underneath everything. Okay, so what Onin just did is that he checked, he's checking the correct shade of foundation for my face. And the way to do it is you just put it here in your jawline, and whatever shade disappears into your skin, like the perfect match for your skin, that's the one that you're supposed to use. And NC30. Okay, so my shade is NC30. Ganyan, diba?
So this foundation is very light to medium coverage. It's more good for dry combination skin.
And actually, that's what we want now, diba? Parang that's the trend na dapat balat skin, dewy.
Overpowering makeup.
So parang what you want is parang moisturized look na parang fresh lang talaga.
So I'm done for her foundation. Next is concealer. I use this one. It's Mineralized Concealer NC25. So it's one shade lighter to her foundation. And
Supposed to do it that way pala.
this one is focus on the under eye, each of the nose, and side.
What's the reason why it's supposed to be one shade lighter?
It also parang highlight your, aside from hiding the imperfection, it highlights also the best features of it.
Okay, so the secret to doing concealer is you have to really blend it.
Yes,
right?
using this brush 217.
Yeah, you can see I think there's already a difference from a while ago. I think my skin looks more flawless right now, and wala na yung under eye circles. Pretty good.
Concealer, I am gonna use this one. It's Mineralized Skinfinish. Medium golden is the shade. So using this brush, 138. You have to tap it.
Oh, you have to tap it. Look at this brush. It's so interesting. I need this brush. So first tap, and then you can swipe.
So I'm gonna highlight her skin using this one.
It's like amazing. Look at it, guys. I mean, wow. So the high points of the cheekbone, the bridge of the nose, and a little bit on the forehead, but not too much. Ah, okay. Do you guys see it? I see it. It's a big difference, huh? And a little goes a long way. Don't go too crazy with the powder.
To add dimension in your skin, I'm gonna use this one. It's Mineralized Skinfinish in medium tan.
This is the contour. I love that. This particular powder is good for contour because it doesn't have any shimmer. It's matte. It's matte. If you're trying to look for a contour powder, it's best to keep it matte or get like a skin finish so it looks natural.
So for contouring, you have to make sure that it's the middle of the ear up until here.
Okay.
And make sure it blends well.
Yes.
Next, I'm gonna fix her eyebrows using eyebrow styler.
See the difference? Onin's tip for us is you have to start from the middle to the end, the tail of the eyebrows, so that we can see like how dark the product will be depositing on the eyebrow. And if you're happy with how dark your eyebrows are, then you can start working on the, what do you call this, the front. You can see my eyebrows. It looks natural, right? Okay, so the last step of Onin is you put this brow set to show you. It's just clear, but it's not clear anymore kasi may makeup na siya.
To start with her eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this one. It's Prep and Prime 24-hour eyeshadow base.
Okay, so I don't usually put this on an everyday basis, but this should be good if you're gonna wear full face of makeup with the foundation and all, to help keep your eyeshadow in place the whole day. Oh, and here's the exciting part. He will not be using eyeshadow on me, but the newest product of MAC, which is Powder Kiss lipstick. So the lipstick is actually so powdery and velvety that it can actually be used as eyeshadow. So, oh my gosh, so he's gonna be using it on me, on my eyes. So this is how it looks, and it has this beautiful color. My gosh, I'm in love with it already. I'm a nude girl, a gorgeous color. Oh my gosh, and you can use it for my whole face basically. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. This is it, Powder Kiss.
The shade is Mull It Over.
Mull It Over. Okay, so the trick to using Powder Kiss lipstick as an eyeshadow is you have to pat it on like this. This is so cool. Like, I'm so into like multitasking products, and if you have that one product that you can use for your whole face, that's like bang for your buck. Especially when you're traveling and you just need like a small, you just want to bring like a small makeup kit. This is perfect. I'm so excited. Can you see it? It's so nice. I think the last time I used lipstick as an eyeshadow was for a shoot back in the day, and I think the look was kind of like glossy eyes. And yeah, this is like the first time I'm actually using a matte lipstick for my eyes. And actually, like, this is like for everyday makeup. This is not for like shoots or anything. It's not for editorial. So this is so exciting. Okay. So you're also applying the lipstick on my under eye. Okay. There. See? You see it? And the trend now for makeup is monotone face, right? Like eyeshadow and cheeks and lipstick are all the same color, and this is perfect. I love that you can experiment with this. Really? It's really matte. I'm learning. Are you gonna be a vlogger? Oh my god. Brush back. You're able to do it in like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
I usually
You can open your eyes now. It's easy to do.
Oh really?
Yeah.
It usually takes me like 30 seconds or a minute.
Waterline.
Waterline. Yeah.
It's just only I just do it here in the end part.
Yeah. PowerPoint pencil. Okay, so on it, just put it just here in the outer parts of my lower lashes, just to give my eyes definition. Okay, so next, the part that we all don't like, but we have to do. It's called tight line, and you kind of have to like lift the eye, and then you kind of have to line the inside. So this is what was used on my eye. You kind of have to like lift the eye, like this is how I do it. I just lift the eye like this, and then I line it that way. Okay, so the reason why you apply this, the reason why you tight line is you just want a more finished look, and everything is just defined. And yeah, even if you look up like that, everything is just all dark. It's all one color, and it just looks more defined that way. Okay, so now for the blush, Onion is again still using Mull It Over Powder Kiss for my cheeks.
So using this brush, it's 252, which is the medium flat brush.
So feathery strokes. I've never applied blush like this, like with a really small brush. Like I would think it's for the eye. the eyeshadow. But look, it's more precise. It's not overpowering. It looks very natural. The mullet over, grabe siya. Because it is powdery and velvety, it's so easy to blend.
Okay, pareho tayo. Punta ako.
This is the Prep and Prime Lip Primer. We applied it
So, palitan mo ba yan nito?
to make the lipstick just last long. Okay, so we're finally going to be using the Powder Kiss lipstick on my lips because we've already used it as eyeshadow and as a blusher. And finally, we're going to be using it on my lips. And this is still mullet over. So this is just one shade for my entire face. Oh wow! It's very lightweight. I really don't feel anything waxy. And it's really a different kind of lipstick experience for me because usually matte lipsticks are more difficult to apply. They're dry kasi, so it takes a while to apply. But this one, it's easy to apply. It feels like nothing on your lips. And wow, it's like, ang galing. Oh my gosh, so look at it. It's beautiful. It's very light, airy, velvety, and matte. But this time, it's very moisturizing. This really answers all your matte lipstick problems because this is also moisturizing and it's absolutely beautiful. And it can be used for your entire face as an eyeshadow, for your cheeks as a blush, and for your lips as a lipstick. And this is a fantastic product and I'm so glad that I was able to try it. Thank you so much, Onin. Thank you so much for doing my makeup for today. And I'll be showing you the final product with my phone because my camera is dying. So I'll see you guys.